Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will share a Canva old trick how to create photo sticker in Canva free. First, I will go to Canva and then I will choose Instagram post portrait size, as I will use white outline on the picture, on the photo. So I will change the page background to other color, for example this one, and then upload your photo, or I will just use a Canva element. And then I will remove the background using a free Canva app, not this background remover. So go to apps and then type here background and choose background cleaner. Select this photo so it will be appear here, and then click erase background. All right. And then now go to edit. But before that, duplicate this photo. On the edit menu, choose shadow, choose outline, change the color to white, and then you can adjust the size as you want. So to make the sticker effect, we have to add shadow to this photo, but as we use this shadow effect, we can choose other effect here. So select the second image and then go to edit and then choose duotone, choose custom, change the highlight to totally black. This is the hex code, and also the shadow to totally black. And then close it, click edit again, and then choose blur, click whole image, and add the intensity about 50, enter. All right, and then close it. Okay, now move this photo here. I will make it here. Okay, and then select the shadow part and then increase the size like this. Select the mode and you can increase the size. So this is the tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.